chairperson, and all you distinguished journalists. I would like to start by saying that it's just wonderful to be here. And this is actually my first trip to Meghalaya, and I have enjoyed every minute of it. And I would love to stay longer and come back again and again. The warmth and the beauty of this place is really, it's something that really endears. So thank you so much for all your kindness. As Deveshji just mentioned, when we discuss budget 2026, we're not talking about just arithmetic. We're not talking about allocations. For years and years, we've seen that. Here, we are looking at direction, we're looking at delivery, and we're looking at development. And that's the key of it all. Now, when we see the budget, obviously, as Deveshji pointed out, it's not in this isolation, right? It is a part of India's transformation journey, which began in 2014. And this is a trajectory, and we're working towards the idea of Viksit Bharat, from a developing nation to a developed nation. Viksit Bharat. And this journey continues. And we all are passengers, co-travelers as part of the journey. Now, we've always had this very, yesteryears, a very fragmented welfare to system based delivery. There was so much leakage when it came to spending, when it came to outcomes, there was little to show. But we can see that this budget, like other budgets, is about growth with fiscal responsibility. Now, overall, when you talk about the budget, it's obvious, and I'm sure all of you know it, we've discussed it threadbare, is that emphasis has been on infrastructure, very crucial to Meghalaya and to Northeast, manufacturing, skilling, innovation, and clean governance. So when we talk about Northeast,